Hi, it's Mindy from Time to Unwind, and with me, in fact, I'm at her house, is Tracy. Say hello, Tracy.
Hi.
She won't
Hi,
come
hi,
on. She won't come in on screen. So she's got a delivery from Michael's. She was making this gorgeous little crocodile stitch scarf, and she realized she couldn't find a second ball of it. She thought for sure she had it. She found it later, but she couldn't find any of the parrot stripe yarn. Red Heart Super Saver stripes, parrot stripe. She couldn't find any around here. And so she was really not a happy camper. And so I looked up a bunch of stuff online, and I found that Michael's was having a sale and that they had it online. And so she got online and she ordered it, and it was a good sale. And so she ordered a little bit more. And so
Mindy is an enabler.
Yes, she's informed me of that before. So we're going to unbox this for you all and see what she got, because I don't know what she got. I wasn't here when she...
By the way, the blade that Mindy is using,
It's her favorite blade.
It took me a year to get it back from her after she used it, after I broke my ankle.
Well, you know, you had a broken ankle and you weren't up cutting things up.
No, I wasn't, but I really missed my blade because there's actually a knife in it too besides the blade.
And I told her I like to cut things open before I start filming, and she said, no, 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 you're doing it as you film. I think so she could tell you about the pink blade. Okay.
Okay, I'll work with that.
Okay, so here is...
No. Since you just mentioned the pink blade, you've got to show the pink blade.
It's not the blade's not pink, the handle is.
Show them it. Oh, no. Show them that there's a knife in there also.
I've never found... Oh, well, there's more stuff in there. See? I've never looked for it.
That's fine.
But I don't want this to be terribly long because I tend to make them long if I'm not careful.
No, make them long. I don't care.
So, one of the things she... Ooh, I like this, Tracy. Is Red Heart Super Saver... What's this called? Iran Fleck. Can't speak English.
Yeah, that's like a beige thing. Go ahead and open that bag. It's like
I'm allowed to open the bag. Okay.
It's like a beige thing with some flecks in it, and I really like that.
Yeah.
Now I have to alter my
She got 3 of those at least.
I have to alternate my screen. Oh well, there might be more.
Yeah, there are more. She got 6 of these. She got 6 of these.
Yep. There. See, I have to alternate my screen when I look at yarn colors to see if I like it. Birds, don't
Brûlée. Her birds can be noisy, and Brûlée, her cat, one of her cats, is sitting on the other box.
Go ahead and show Brûlée. You can show Brûlée and my birds, just don't show my mess.
And I can't show Brûlée and pick up the box at the same time. Too heavy. This is a big box.
Yeah, I'm not a junkie.
In the usual sense of the word junkie, she's not a junkie. In the sense of the word that my husband uses, she's also not a junkie. That's the people who come around gathering junk from the
get over it.
From the curbside.
Get over it.
Okay, so what have we here? I hate these things. I liked the bubble wrap when they did it, but I don't like those. Okay, so she got 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this parrot stripe? 5. 5 so far. 5
No,
parrot
really?
stripes.
They didn't cello wrap them?
6. They gave you individual ones rather than in bunches.
Really? They didn't cello wrap them?
Well, they must have already been unwrapped.
That's kind of messed up. Okay, that's a disappointment.
She likes cello wrap, so I can have to unwrap it.
I do for like 3 at a time.
Uh-huh. And then she's got 1, 2, 3.
Wait a minute, what color is that?
Panther pink.
What is it?
Panther pink. Oh my God.
When I saw the panther pink online, it just, because I'm thinking of, the panther.
Pink Panther?
Pink Panther. I was thinking of that, but when I saw that color, the way it showed up online, I really liked it. And here, toss me one over.
She's got 6 of those.
You know what? Yes, I am totally tickled by that color, the Pink Panther color, or whatever it's called.
And then soapstone. I think I have some of this. And she's got.
I just like that because it's mellow and calm.
She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these.
Because I'm a junkie.
A yarny is what you're supposed to call it.
Yeah, fine. I'm a junkie.
And this one's called Platoon.
I actually don't have Platoon. When I ordered that, I saw the colors and I really liked them. But I had to go and look at a couple other of Platoon is like a camo color. I had to go and look at a couple other camo colors I had to make sure that
You didn't already have it.
One that I had, yeah.
Yeah, so that's the marine sitting over there.
I do really like that color.
And it looks like she's got 6 of these too.
I'm a junkie. I'm a yarn junkie.
Yarnaholic.
Okay.
And this one is called Zebra.
You know what? I wasn't even really that attached to Zebra, but I want to see if making a pattern type. Mindy, you're better with that. If I, well, actually, maybe it even says on the sleeve, but
Well, this isn't a stripes one, so this might be able to pool.
that particular color didn't really entice me.
It's got some gray in it, a couple of shades of gray and black and white.
Well, I like gray and black and white, but when I saw that, and because it was on sale for, I don't remember the price, but it was ridiculous.
It was a really
low.
good price. I remember that. I don't remember
yes.
what it was, but I sent her to a really good price. Something
it was
buy 2 get 1 free.
It was, well, no, it went beyond the buy 2 get 1.
It was a good price to begin with, and then it was buy 2 get 1.
Yes, it was ridiculously low, but it would be interesting to see on how that will work on some different patterns, because you gave me a yarn once before that was, I loved the yarn, it was beautiful, but when I was making it out into a cap,
It pooled funny.
I did not like the pattern.
You can control that, but it takes thought and calculation.
Well, what you told me with that one that I was crocheting, and I'll have to dig it up here, but you told me that it'll really show up different if you knit it or if you crochet it in a different pattern. And yeah, I get that. So, with that zebra shit,
you've got 6 of them. You can try all sorts of things.
Oh,
She's got 6.
I got a lot of variety.
This is the last batch she's gotten. It's stone wash kitchen cotton, sugar and cream. And I don't know what she's planning on making with 6 of these. She might be making a summer top or something for all I know.
No, is that the cotton ones?
Yep.
That's washcloths.
Oh, bunch of great washcloths.
Washcloths, bath cloths, whatever you want to call it. I just really like that color.
Okay.
Well, hey,
You're allowed to like it.
It is what it is when I was buying it, okay?
It looked pretty to you. That's
But hey,
okay.
toss me one over so I can see it.
So I'm going to put things back in the box so that cats and birds don't get crazy here.
When I looked at the colors on besides the macaw or parrot colors, when I looked at all the colors, I turned my screen up to maximum light so I could get a better picture color. This color here on the what the fuck is it called? Stonewashed denim. It's pretty much what I saw, and most of the other colors I saw were right on target when I had my screen turned up to maximum color. That's a big thing that you need to watch, because a lot of times when I'm watching videos for different patterns and stuff, I turn my screen down on my iPad. I turn it down to, minimal light, so I have, more time on the chart, but it's lower light. But when I'm buying some yarn, Mindy, turn that pink yarn up. Show it in the screen. That yarn, when I saw, I like pink, and when I saw that, oh, it just tickled me, and I had to get it.
There's even some purple in there. I didn't notice that before.
Well, there's pink, there's purples. I think there's a little bit of black in there too.
There's
right?
pink, purple, black, and white that I've seen.
Yeah, I just saw that, and it was just
not much white.
Just totally
it's very light pink,
me.
maybe.
Yeah, the picture just totally titillated me. But I had to turn my iCam up to iPad. I had to turn it up to maximum light so that I can enjoy the lights. And now that I'm seeing my colors here, turning my iPad up to maximum light, I'm seeing actual colors on my
screen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so when you're looking at colors, unless you've seen them in person, or whatever, if you saw a color that you thought you liked in person, what you see online may not always be the same. So you need to know what you saw in person. I can't express that enough.
I got it all into one box. They could have saved themselves some postage.
All of that in the package?
Yep.
You okay? Yeah, well, that's on the floor, but okay.
I would have definitely had it there, so I'm laughing at her because she missed too. So.
Hey, it's all good. It's all good.
And, you're going to have to...
If you're looking at colors online,
they heard.
I really think you're benefited from... If it's not a color that you've actually seen in person, I really do think that you need to...
Make sure your lighting's good.
Make sure your lighting is at the top so you can see. Because, show that again.
Oh, you want them to see it again?
Yeah, this is what, parrot stripe?
Parrot stripes.
This is parrot stripe, and Mindy had commented to me yesterday, because she stopped over at the house yesterday. She had commented to me yesterday that it didn't look that way from what you saw online. So the colors that you see online are not always what are actually are. So definitely try to get the colors in person. Thank you. But
Didn't get far enough.
but if you're getting if you're getting I would say if you're getting a yarn online,
Okay.
don't really risk it unless
risk it. It's an adventure.
Well, I'm all about adventure.
Yeah, right.
But oh, yeah, okay. It's all about the fucking fly swapper here. Okay, if it's about adventure, order your colors online, but definitely make sure that your screen is turned up to full bright when you get it, so that you know.
Okay,
well, you have a better idea.
This has been a Michael's unboxing for Red Heart. And so I hope you enjoyed it and all of the wildlife about here, etc.
What wildlife? Nobody showed up.
No, but they
flash the camera to the wildlife at least.
See if I
don't show the mess. Show the wildlife.
I can't. There they are. There's at least some of them. The cats are wherever they are. So
fine with that.
All right, so if you enjoyed this, hit the like button.
Like and subscribe. You know what? I don't care if you liked it. Just hit the freaking like button. Like, subscribe. What? Sammy, what?
And hit the bell for the next notification, and we'll be back.
Yes, hit the. I don't care if you liked us. Hit the like, Sammy. Hit the like, subscribe, and smash that. Sam.